DevOps stands for a clipped compound of development and operations. DevOps is a software development methodology that combines software development, or dev, with information technology operations, or ops. The goal of DevOps is to shorten the system's development lifecycle while delivering software releases frequently in close alignment with business objectives in a faster, better, and cheaper fashion. PeopleCert DevOps Certification Scheme. PeopleCert offers 2 levels of credential certifications in DevOps domain: PeopleCert DevOps Fundamentals, PeopleCert DevOps Leadership. The Fundamentals level of the PeopleCert DevOps qualification scheme is aimed at anyone who wishes to become an efficient member of a DevOps environment and wishes to improve collaboration and communication. Learning objectives. Holders of the PeopleCert DevOps Fundamentals certification will be able to demonstrate their knowledge, understanding, and practical application of history and need of DevOps, key concepts of DevOps, business value of DevOps, concepts underlying CALMS, the 3 ways, continuous delivery, and the scope of the full stack, DevOps culture, transformational leadership, and DevOps structure and teaming, evolution of the DevOps practices and the 15 essential practices of DevOps, agile project management and Scrum methodology, key concepts of cloud technology and visualization, automation for deployment pipeline, and designing for continuous delivery. The structure of DevOps fundamentals. The PeopleCert DevOps Fundamentals course will consist of the following modules, as structured in below demonstration. Module 1 – Introduction to DevOps. Module 2 – Key DevOps Principles and Concepts. Module 3 – The Full Stack – People and Culture. Module 4 – The Full Stack – Processes and Practices. Module 5 – The Full Stack – Technology and Automation. We wish you a happy learning with Bakkah.